So this is part one of Windows Autopilot exporting and import hardware hashes to Microsoft Intune. I'm using a brand new demo machine from JB Hi-Fi, which is a Microsoft Surface Pro 7. So first I'm going to hit down Shift key plus F10 together. This will load the command prompt, type in PowerShell, and then next I'll be typing in set-executionpolicy unrestricted false. Next, I'll be typing in install-script space get-windowsautopilotinfo. Press enter. This will prompt me for 3 changes, so yes to all. Yes again. And yes again. And this will install the modules. And next, I'll just type in get-windowsautopilotinfo -online and press enter. So this will install the module for Windows Autopilot. And see, it's doing it at the moment. And eventually it should show up with the Microsoft credentials prompt, which I need to enter with my HQ creds. So again, HQ underscore beta.mar at doesn't like that one for some reason.